retrofit a manual flush valve with a Zurn Easy Flush sensor-operated flush valve. Each Easy Flush Zurn CPM unit package contains all the components you will need for the installation, including detailed installation instructions, a wrench to install the Easy unit to the flush valve, an Allen wrench to open the battery compartment, gasket that goes between the Easy unit and the main body, the sensor-operated side mount unit, along with 4 C-size alkaline batteries. Additional items you may need to perform the retrofit include a flathead screwdriver, pipe wrench, and possibly an Allen wrench to remove the vandal-resistant cap if there is one on the control stop. To perform the retrofit, the first step is to turn the water off at the control stop to avoid flooding. The control stop may have a vandal-resistant cover as shown here. Some covers are removed by simply pulling off the cover. Other types must be removed with an Allen wrench. Next, use a flathead screwdriver to turn off the water. Turn the screwdriver clockwise to shut off the water supply. Once the water is shut off, press the manual handle to release any pressure that may reside in the valve. Now remove the manual handle with the supplied wrench. There will be some residual water from the valve. Once the handle is removed, put the supplied gasket into the Easy Flush unit. Then hand tighten the nut onto the valve. Once the nut is hand tight, fully secure the Easy unit to the valve with the supplied wrench. The next step is to insert the batteries. Use the Allen wrench provided to remove the battery tray compartment from the Easy unit. Insert the batteries as shown on the compartment tray. Install the batteries into the compartment in the Easy Flush and tighten up the battery tray using the Allen wrench. You will hear the motor actuate and see the red indicator light flash. This will let you know the batteries have been properly installed. Press the manual override button again to ensure the batteries are making the proper contact. At this point, you are ready to turn the water supply back on at the control stop. Use the flathead screwdriver and turn counterclockwise. Press the manual override button. The Easy Flush unit is now fully operational. If the unit has a vandal-resistant cap, replace it now. The retrofit of Easy Flush sensor-operated side mount unit from a manual operated is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more product information or to speak to a customer care representative, please visit our website at zurn.com.